Now, your exclusive local alert weather forecast from Central Oregon's news leader.
And in that region, as you recall from last week, they got anywhere from 5 to 12 inches of rain in that area. So, yeah, it was a very aggressive atmospheric river for Oregon and for Washington State. Heavier rains was in Washington State. All right, folks, here's a look at the Old Mill District. This is a live shot, and you can see that the flag is moving a bit, but not all that much. That's going to be changing as we move forward in time, as well as the opportunity for some rain to come through. Here's a look at the live traffic cameras. Little road, volume traffic there in Redmond, but everybody else moving smoothly. Roads are damp, but not wet, and we are going to be seeing rain coming through in just a bit. So what we're tracking for you is this local alert weather day. That's late tonight through Wednesday morning for gusty winds, rainy conditions, possible power outages, travel trouble, and it'll be a rainy and snowy week with periods of rain and then snow and then rain on top of the snow, which will melt the snow and add a double dip of possible localized flooding. So that is a concern moving forward. This is one of two local alert weather days. We have another one on Thursday, but let's discuss this. And we have the strong gusty winds. Travel will be impacted, possible power outages. Look at all these alerts that have been issued by the National Weather Service. This is the high wind warning for gusts near 65 miles an hour, dangerous crosswinds, travel impacted. This is the winter weather advisory. These lighter blue colors, that is a wind advisory, and these are all from 10 o'clock until 4 p.m. on Wednesday. I think a lot of the energy, though, is going to settle down early in the morning tomorrow. Future track gusts are as follows. Very, very aggressive winds. These are the gusts. Earlier in the show, I showed you the sustained winds. So at 10 o'clock, nearly 60-mile-an-hour gusts near Three Sisters and Bachelor. We are looking at along the 97 corridor. Look at all the red color contours on this at 1 o'clock in the morning. General flow from the west, gusting near 70. But again, where the roadways are still very aggressive, 37-mile-an-hour gust in Madras near 30 in Sun River. 4 a.m. it starts to relax a bit, but still very gusty winds. 36 in Redmond, 31 in Prineville. Future track gusts at 7 a.m. are relaxing a bit and settling down into the afternoon hour. So that's why our alert day kind of expires early in the morning tomorrow. This is an overnight event. Here's the rain shower activity coming through to the south. Just a little bit of light rain in the tri-counties. This is the telling tale of what we expect. This is the future track. 8 o'clock, we'll see what happens here. Here we go. 8 o'clock, look at this here. What we're dealing with is a cold front that's going to come through. So the winds are going to come up from the southwest ahead of this front. Then when the front comes through in the wee hours of the morning, that's when we get the shift, and it comes on in from the west. Then in the colder air in the morning, get some snow, but not much. So tomorrow in the afternoon, we're going to see a mixture of clouds and sunshine. And then another round comes in. This is a warm front coming up. We will see snow in the early morning hours of our Thursday, and then once that front moves through, then we're going to see rain, and we could see some localized flooding on Thursday, with the alert day being Thursday, and then another front comes through late in the day, but ahead of that will be gusty winds as well, so we are going to be contending with a lot of trouble moving forward through this time frame. So what we're looking at here is a 45 on Wednesday, a 56 on Thursday. We have that local alert day on Thursday. Wintry mix comes back Sunday, stays around with us Monday and again on Tuesday.